Hello everyone, I'm John and this is Just the Gearhead, and in today's episode we're going to weld the donor frame back into being one piece, I think. Hopefully? Maybe? We'll see. Anyway, stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, in today's episode we're going to try to weld the frame back together again. I made some adjustments to the welder. Under MIG it just wasn't working, so I switched to flux core, reversed the polarity on it accordingly, and it seems to be working better, so we're going to give that a shot, see if we can't get it all welded up. Alright, so in the previous video I had squared it all up and got it ready to weld, but then the welder didn't really want to do the trick. But today I just double checked, it's all nice and square and straight still, so we're just going to start welding. Like I said, I've switched to flux core welding wire, and changed the polarities, which seems to have fixed the issue. So yeah, we'll just get to it. Okay, so that's this top one kind of tacked in a bunch of different places, little strip welds. I'll finish weld it after, but I want to now clamp on the lower half and get that kind of partially welded in place. So let's see if this all holds. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to have to trim these a bit because the way the frame flares down here. So we'll have to measure and mark them where I think the best place to cut them is. Yeah, it comes down lower here. Up here. I had measured back here. It looks like it's flared a little. So I end up with this gap I don't want. See if we can make these work. Alright, measure and grind. Alright, so after some trimming and fiddling, I got the bottom half of the new frame pieces in place, the new angle. It's all clamped in place, should be good to go. So we'll get to welding that. Alright, so that'll be it for this episode of Just a Gearhead. I'm not going to show you guys all the welding because I'll probably get fairly boring. So, and I'm probably not going to show you what my welds look like because I'm not that good at it, but they are plenty strong. They seem to be getting good penetration with the flux core. So I think I should do a fine job. I got the one side all in place, the other side I'll do off camera, and I'll probably even like dress them down, grind them down a little bit, try to smooth it out a bit for the next episode. And next episode, might be doing body mounts, like locating and figuring out body mounts, or we might be lifting this. I'm not really sure. We'll see how things go over the next little couple of days. Anyways, if you guys want to, please comment, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And if you guys want merchandise, there's a link in the description to my Redbubble page. For some reason I can't say that today. It's like my third try. Anyways, so the link's in the description. Proceeds from purchasing merchandise go to the projects and to building the channel. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.